from the ground.
श्रीमान श्रीमान परेड को निष्क्रमण करने के आज्ञा प्रारंभ करें श्रीमान श्रीमान
Sector Romario B. Marak Border Wing Home Guards Battalion. There are 2 parade contingents comprising of 2 platoons drawn from the recruit guardsmen undergoing basic training at Central Training Institute, Civil Defense and Home Guards. Approaching the saluting base is the parade commander, Shri Benjamin C.H. Marak, second in command, Border Wing Home Guards Battalion. The parade 2IC Inspector Romario B. Marak of Border Wing Home Guards Battalion. The first platoon approaching the saluting dais is the recruit guardsmen, led by Sub-Inspector Krishan Lang D. Palyong from Border Wing Home Guards Battalion. The second platoon approaching the saluting dais of the recruit guardsmen, led by Sub-Inspector Gopal Gailan from Border Wing Home Guards Battalion. Leading the brass band of the Border Wing Home Guards Battalion is Sub-Inspector Jefferson Malvi. Taking over from the brass band is the pipe band from Central Training Institute, led by Havildar Ram Charles Lamaru.
Immense pride and honor to extend a heartiest and warm welcome to everyone present here today on this momentous occasion, which is the raising of 2 State Disaster Response Force Battalion in Meghalaya. Importantly, these 2 battalions comprising of 354 personnel in each battalion will be strategically positioned, one in Garo Hills region and the other battalion in Shillong, to cater to both Khasi and Jetty Hills respectively. Their strategic positioning is to ensure optimal coverage and rapid response across the state. It goes without saying that this deployment will significantly enhance our ability to respond swiftly and effectively to disasters in different regions. Today marks a significant milestone in our efforts to strengthen disaster preparedness and response in the state. Meghalaya, owing to its unique geographical and climatic conditions, remains vulnerable to landslides, flash floods, and other natural disasters, making the establishment of a dedicated and specialized force essential. This initiative, which is the first in India, is both innovative and practical, and I am confident it will serve as a model for other states as well. The raising of this SDRF battalion by subsuming the 708 permanent posts from Border Wing Home Guards Battalion is in compliance to the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India directives and orders which reflects a strategic and pragmatic approach, leveraging existing trained manpower and resources to build a more focused and efficient disaster response mechanism. The order also encapsulates that Director of Civil Defense shall have the force in addition to his normal duties. I fervently assure you that this battalion will be trained to the highest standards in search and rescue, disaster response, and emergency management. We are committed to equipping our personnel with modern tools and the necessary skills to respond swiftly and effectively in times of crisis. And I would like to take this opportunity, since senior officers from police are also here, to kindly help us in our effort to save life during such emergency, like in the past, who always extend their hand generously. And I also like to extend my gratefulness to Director General of Police, who was supposed to be here, but because of his other priorities, like she couldn't come, for her kindness and generosity, for allowing us to install a repeater in their stations, which will help the SDRF in the long run in conducting search and rescue operations more effectively in the future. I also extend my appreciation to all officers and personnel.
At the outset, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the commandant, director officers, and all ranks of civil defense and home guard for achieving this significant milestone. The establishment of the SDRF marks a new chapter in strengthening our state's disaster preparedness and response mechanism. Meghalaya, blessed with natural beauty, is also vulnerable to various natural calamities such as landslide, floods, and other unforeseen emergencies. In such situations, the importance of a well-trained, dedicated, and responsive force cannot be overstated. The rising of the SDRF today is a timely and visionary step towards safeguarding the lives and property and the environment. SDRF will serve as a specialized force equipped with modern training, skill, and resources to respond swiftly and effectively during disasters. I am confident that this force will work in close coordination with all stakeholders and agencies to ensure a robust disaster management system in our state. I would like also to place on record my deep appreciation to the tireless efforts and sacrifice made by the personnel of civil defense and home guards. Your commitment to duty, often in challenging and risky conditions, reflects your dedication to the service of community. You are truly the silent guardians in times of crisis. On the occasion, I urge all members of the newly raised SDRF to uphold the highest standards of professionalism, discipline, and compassion. Your role is not only to respond to disaster, but also to instill confidence and hope among the people during the most difficult times. The government of Meghalaya remains fully committed to strengthen disaster management, infrastructure, and capacity building. We will continue to support initiatives that enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of our response forces. Let this day be remembered as a landmark in